Hello everyone, I'm mayagalleas, and in this class I'm going to be teaching you how easy and simple to paint trees in watercolor. I'll cover green trees and fall trees. I'll show you what colors to use to shape the depth of green trees and how easy it's to get colors for vibrant and rich fall trees. We'll sketch the basic shapes of the trees and learn how to define shadow spots. I'm going to show you some watercolor techniques for painting trees. So I'll go over everything you need to know and be able to paint trees. Do you have any doubts? You already painted trees and hedgehogs came out on their paws? Can't understand this oval, circle or square in the shape of a tree? Trying to find a place where to put highlights and shadows so that your painting doesn't look lifeless and faded. Hour after hour you think about what colors to take and how to make it so that you can see you have painted a tree and not ice cream with a stick. Watch my tips in this section with techniques and sketches, and you can find the basis and correctly define the shape of the beautiful maple growing under the window. Especially after I prepared and did everything to make it very easy for you to understand the shape of trees and how to draw it correctly. I even especially drew sketches of all the trees for you that are attached in the projects section. Don't forget to download them and use them for your deep learning, and also transfer them to paper and draw. Whatever, the main thing is to train your muscle memory and do more practice, and I will definitely help you with this. I made 8 projects for you and even 2 bonus projects. Green and fall trees of different shapes and techniques are waiting for you. And I promise, after going through all the videos and making all the projects, you will be like a pro in trees and you can paint them literally with your eyes closed. Shapes of oak or sequoia will be an easy task for you. You will know for sure the leaves can be painted with olive color and the shadow can be burnt sienna. Well, trees outside the window, on the internet or in your imagination will become your favorite photo models. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the natural world, the world of trees, into the world of clear techniques and simple shapes. See you at the first lesson.